Ang Paaralang Cristobal S. Conducto ay isang pampublikong paaralan. Ito ay binubuo ng 50 teacher, pati na ang non-teaching personnel. Mayroong mahigit na 1,200 high school ang mga nag-aaral dito.
Dito po sa school namin, we collect po yung trash namin. So, kapag po sama-sama yung mga basura, mahirap po siyang pakinabangan at hindi po mabe-benefit. So, kaya po tinuruan po kami na mag-segregate.
Rather than dumping the bottles or forming it into other recyclable materials, there is innovation because the bottles were used in making buildings rather than other products.
So, nakipag-coordinate po kami sa mga teachers and sa principal para magawa ang mga competition. So, unang-una po, the principal approved that na kailangan namin tumulong sa pag-contribute sa pagbuo ng bottle building. So, the bottles we have collected are very important.
This is now the outcome. And so after we have done this building, after finishing this building, okay, we utilize this as our extension classroom because we have shortage of classroom.
Lahat naman siguro nangangarap. Kami mga estudyante, may mga pangarap kami. So, pinapangarap namin na sana bawat bubong ng bawat building ng school magkaroon ng solar panels which can turn it into electricity para hindi nawawala ng kuryente.
Pwede pong magdagdag kami ng buildings para po yung pong isang classroom hindi po sikip or overcrowded para po sa mga students.
Aside from that, sa aming research subject, now we are planning to have hydroponics kung saan magtatanim kami ng mga crops not using yung lupa, yung ordinary soil, but instead gagamit kami ng water.
So kung magiging maayos, mas maganda na ang aming school pagdating lalo na sa environment, so pwede kami maging model.
Is something that we could say that our town has a contribution to the preservation of our nature.
Cristobal S. Conducto Memorial National High School is representing the Philippines to win the Zayed Future Energy Prize.